This is Hack This Site application cracking machine number 3, and this was a cool exercise. I did it before I came on because this application actually works a little bit differently from the others if you want to get through it, and there's more than one solution in order to approach getting through this application's defenses. So like the other applications, you have to enter in the proper serial number in order to get the passcode, and if you don't, it won't show you. But there were a couple of problems in this application. For one, this is a null character that shouldn't be there. So this is 2C file. I'll save it as a separate file. And also, the host is incorrect. So this is the proper host that it should be pointing towards. So the code for this application was broken. So I'm going to fix it, and I'm going to save it. And now, as you can see, when I run this application, it'll give me an error message when I enter in the wrong serial number. So now that that's fixed, we have to see what's happening when it, like the previous application, it has a get post to the following location. So we're grabbing information from this link. Let's see what it does. Okay, and it returns a false. And here it says false. Status serial invalid. Sorry, you entered an incorrect serial number. Please re-enter. And if it's true, you get the correct answer. So there's actually two possible solutions to dealing with this. Number one, you could just change the code right here. So I entered in false there. I'm going to enter in true here. And I will save it. Now, basically what I did is I changed the conditions. So if I enter in the incorrect password, it will go and get the false from the website and interpret it as a true, and it'll give me the passcode. What? Something went wrong. Did I save it? Let's try that again. Incorrect? Correct. There we go. And the password is fire your boss. However, that is not the only solution to this problem. Another solution would be true. Let's change it back to the previous code. And false. Save. So now, like previously, we already know the password, but let's try doing it a different way. So now if I enter in the wrong password, I'm not getting the passcode or the wrong serial number. So another approach would be to I haven't done this before, but let's see. If you've heard of Wireshark, I haven't used it for a while. However, I believe there's a legacy function that allows you to filter incoming packets. And if we were to filter for an incoming package from that site that said false and switch it to true, I believe the code would work. Or another option would be to, I'm actually not going to do it because I just got lazy, but another option would be to set up a web server, and as you can see here, rather than posting to this location, switch it out for your own web server. I mean, to this host, switch it out for your own host, and then return a true when um, that URL is attempted to access. And as a result, that'll give you back the the passcode, since it's using the website as a authentication mechanism. So this is actually, I would say this is the most, well, I wouldn't say the simplest to break, but I would say it's a little bit more obvious. In it has more ways to break it than the previous mission. So once again, this is the importance of building code properly and knowing how to break code. So you use Wireshark, you use packet capture. Yeah, so till next time. I think in the next video that I make, I'll show you how to do a distributed denial of service attack. I just had an idea on a really easy way to do it, and I'll code it for you and let you figure out whether, if you want to attack a site, you could, but I don't recommend it because you can get arrested for it, because there's not really many effective ways to defend against it. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll give you more information about that next exciting topic in the next video.